Clearborough, North Dallas, Tesla Model 3, 2021, full wrap, XPEL Ultimate Plus, full window film with XPEL XR Plus and 30% all the way around. And let's take a little walk around this and check out what we got going here. And as usual, those doors right to the edge like that. No big gaps. Gaps are ugly. We don't want that. We want it to look as factory as possible. So bringing all our tint to the edge so there's no gap is the way to go for the best look. And coming up on the PPF, wrapping all those edges, wrapping all those corners, taking these moldings off, real simple. Doesn't cause any issues with the vehicle whatsoever. They pop right off and they slide right back on. Coming in and wrapping under all these moldings on this quarter glass, wrapping this whole trunk lid in, making sure that this T is removed and replaced over the bra so there's no cutouts of the T. Coming around, wrapping all this in, all the way in. Wrapping that bumper all the way in and under. Back over to this side, again, wrapping all those doors, moldings, wrapping our wheel wells all the way in, making sure everything's nice and smooth, no marks. Coming around, wrapping our doors and fenders all the way in. Coming around, wrapping all this. Our fenders along with our hood. Wrapping our headlight area in from the fender all the way around for that optimum protection. Wrapping that bumper into where the trunk is. Taking that T again, putting it back on top of the film. There we go. So there it is, Tesla Model 3. Oh, and real quick, the tow hook, wrapping the tow hook where the bumper hole is into the bumper, and then the tow hook wrapping it itself. So there you go, folks. Tesla Model 3 2021 full wrap, XPEL Ultimate Plus with the window film XR Plus and a 5-year ceramic on top of that to give it that extra durability, slickness, and easy to clean feeling. So there you go. Any questions? clearboroughnorthdallas.com. And you can reach me at 214-414-3809, extension 1. I'm Brent, and I look forward to chatting with you. Thank you very much.